Hi, I'm Bobby Fish Umembeso 21st. Bobby
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Well guys, former Uzalo actress Tikaba, who is popularly known as Pililo on the SABC1 telenovela, had Umembeso this weekend. The Umembeso ceremony was yesterday, of which it was the 30th of April 2022. The event was attended by friends, family, and colleagues from the industry. Guys, all I can say about Tixaba's Umembeso, it was so beautiful. She was also beautiful, her and her husband. Guys, from us, we would like to wish him nothing but the best on their new journey, and we would like to say congratulations to the couple. Guys, let me know on the comment section what do you think about Tixaba's Umembeso. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please make sure that you do the right thing by commenting, sharing, subscribing, liking this video, and most importantly, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on anything that I am going to upload next on this channel. Bye.